Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore the process of downloading your Microsoft Teams chat logs for future use. Frequently, we find ourselves needing to look back at previous discussions or save critical conversations for our records. Exporting your messaging history from Microsoft Teams is an incredibly helpful way to manage this. We are going to walk through a very simple and direct technique to complete this task, which ensures that you can reach your conversation data whenever it is required. To begin, you must log into your Microsoft Teams profile. This is a necessary first step because you cannot access your private history without being authenticated in your account. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, move your cursor to the top right corner of the interface where your profile icon is located. Go ahead and select that image. After clicking, a small drop-down menu will appear on the screen. Look through the list for the option titled My Microsoft Account and click it. This action will open a separate web page where you can manage various preferences and settings linked to your profile. On this new dashboard, you will see several different categories, but the one we need to focus on is the Privacy tab. Click on that section to proceed. The Privacy area is where you can control how your personal information is handled, and it is also the starting point for retrieving your chat data. Within the Privacy settings, look for a specific category labeled Teams. As you might expect, this is the hub where all data settings related to Microsoft Teams are stored. Selecting the Teams option brings us much closer to obtaining your message history. Next, you should see a dedicated link for chat history. Click on it to enter the specific area Microsoft provides for data retrieval regarding your personal conversations. Finally, you will see a button that says Submit Request. Pressing this button officially initiates the export of your chat logs. Microsoft will then begin processing your data, and once the task is finished, you will be provided with a file containing your history. This process can take a bit of time, so be sure to monitor your email or account notifications for any status updates. You have now successfully completed the steps to back up your Teams conversations. This method is vital for maintaining records and revisiting past discussions. By following this guide, you ensure that your important information is never lost. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.